That's it. How do you feel today now? How are you feeling? Good. Do you feel happy? You're not in a bad mood? Well, give us a smile then. It's a lovely day again. Look at the sunshine outside. Look at that plant, isn't it lovely? Yeah.
A neighbourhood watchman in Florida has been found not guilty.
It's really hot again, isn't it? We're having a heat wave, aren't we?
The jury found George Zimmerman not guilty.
The jury concluded that George
Well, it's only 9 o'clock.
when he shot Trayvon Martin in February last year.
Yeah. Yeah, look. I'll give us a smile before I finish this film now. Give us a smile. Is that a proper smile? Is it real? Okay.
Racism.